ever wondered where your photos, emails, and apps actually live? It's not in the cloud. It's inside something called a data center. And today, I'm going to show you what's really inside a data center, in the simplest way possible. In this video, we'll break down data centers into simple parts: compute, storage, network, and the hidden systems that keep everything running 24/7. Let's start with compute. This is where actual processing happens. These are your servers, machines that run applications, websites, and services. There are mainly two types: rack servers. These are flat, rectangular servers stacked inside cabinets called racks. They are easy to install, scalable, and commonly used in most data centers. Blade servers. These are more compact and powerful. Multiple thin servers are inserted into a chassis, saving space and reducing wiring. They offer higher performance and better efficiency. Next is storage, where all your data lives. Data center storage is one of the most important parts of a data center. It includes both hardware, like hard drives, SSDs, and flash storage, and software systems that help store, manage, and protect huge amounts of data. This storage system supports high-performance applications, data backup and recovery, and even AI workloads. It uses different architectures all designed to keep your data safe, available, and always accessible. Now let's quickly look at the main types of storage used in data centers. Solid-state drives, SSDs. These are super fast and have very low delay, perfect for applications that need quick access to data. Hard disk drives, HDDs. These offer large storage capacity at a lower cost. Best for data that is not accessed very often. Storage Area Network, SAN. A high-speed network that provides block-level storage. Commonly used for databases and critical applications. Network-attached storage, NAS. This is file-based storage connected to a network. Multiple users can access and share data easily. Object storage used for storing massive amounts of unstructured data, like images, videos, and backups. Now comes the network, the communication system of the data center. This is what connects everything and makes the magic happen. Think of it like a highway system. Without it, your data would just sit there, doing absolutely nothing. Inside a data center, the network includes switches. These connect servers inside the data center, allowing them to talk to each other instantly. Routers. These connect the data center to the outside world, like your phone, laptop, or the internet. Firewalls. These protect the network, blocking hackers, threats, and unwanted access. Basically, the security guards of your data cables. These carry the actual data, often using high-speed fiber optics, moving information at lightning speed. So, when you open an app, stream a video, or send a message, all of it travels through this powerful network, fast, secure, and almost instantly. Now here's the part most people don't see, but it's absolutely critical. A data center doesn't just run on servers. It depends on powerful support systems behind the scenes. Power systems make sure everything stays up and running. UPS provides instant backup during power cuts. Generators handle longer outages. Cooling systems prevent servers from overheating. And security systems keep everything physically safe. Without these, even the most advanced data center can shut down within minutes. So next time you hear the word cloud, remember, it's not floating in the sky. It's actually thousands of machines working together inside a data center. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Network Buzz for more tech content.